Hi there, this is the girl with the computer voice. In this short video I will give you a short introduction about a popular tool called Terraform. With Terraform you can start using infrastructure as code. With a couple of lines you can deploy instances in the public cloud or on-premise. Let's get started. The following text is read from the Terraform website. Terraform is a tool for building, changing, and versioning infrastructure safely and efficiently. Terraform can manage existing and popular service providers as well as custom in-house solutions. Configuration files describe to Terraform the components needed to run a single application or your entire data center. Terraform generates an execution plan describing what it will do to reach the desired state, and then executes it to build the described infrastructure. As the configuration changes, Terraform is able to determine what changed and create incremental execution plans which can be applied. The infrastructure Terraform can manage includes low-level components such as compute instances, storage, and networking, as well as high-level components such as DNS entries, etc. Terraform is just one binary. You download it to Windows or Linux and you are ready to go. Terraform is open source, hosted at GitHub, and totally free with the Mozilla public license. Terraform is created by the company named HashiCorp. They have some more awesome products. For example, they have created software to store secrets, to create images, orchestrate connectivity, and some more applications. So make sure to visit their website as well. In this lab we will create a new AWS instance using the Terraform binary. On the laptop we will download the Terraform binary to a local directory. Then run it with our code and see if the orange VM comes alive. Terraform can be run with a couple of options which I will discuss first. These are the basic commands of Terraform. Init will initialize Terraform and might download the needed modules. For example, if you use AWS, it will download the AWS provider. You can use plan to have Terraform create a plan file which you can review and pass to the apply step. You can also just start the apply step and review the plan while executing. Terraform will review all files that end with TF. There are some more extensions that can be read, however, you will learn that when deep diving into Terraform. The destroy step will destroy all components that have been deployed by Terraform. Terraform can only do this by administrating a state file. You can store this state file on a share or in a bucket. You can get all options using Terraform-help. Let's go to the terraform.io website. Click on Download CLI. Choose your platform. Download the package or copy the download link. I copied the link, so I will now download it. Unzip the package and there it is, terraform.exe. Let's take a look at the code. Make sure you install the Terraform plugin in Visual Studio Code. We start with the provider. There are many different providers like AWS, Azure, Heroku, and also network-related providers like Cisco ASA, F5 Big IP, Ultra DNS, and many more. Take a look at terraform.io. Now that we have a provider, we can start with some fun. We can use a data lookup within AWS to look up the latest CentOS 7 AMI. AMI is an Amazon machine image which is the image you can use to boot your instance. The result of this data lookup, we can use in the AWS instance resource. This resource defines the smallest, /cheapest, available instance. To log on we need a key. This is the same key as you would use using the web console. If you have no idea what I'm talking about with these keys, let me know in the comments. The AMI is region dependent, so when using a lookup, the code can run in any region. We create a DNS entry to connect to the instance when it's created. Finally, there is a security group, the AWS firewall setting, allowing us to SSH into our instance. Let's now run and test the code. We only have to run the init once, because we are using it on our desktop. If you are using a pipeline, you need to run it every time. Let's just run apply. Type yes to create the Terraform VM. And voila, there is the VM. Within AWS, an instance equals a VM. Let's connect to the server. We use our PEM key to login. Yes, it worked. Now let's destroy our server. Let's run destroy. And now we have no active infrastructure anymore. How cool is that? Let me give you a free tip. Terraform now also hosts a free pipeline for running your Terraform code with no build limitations. Open an account and start automating your Terraform code. A good way forward. Job well done. You are amazing. If you have questions or remarks about, or did you like the video, let me know in the comments area. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumb up, share this video, and don't forget to push the subscription button below. That would be awesome, and I will see you next time, in another video.